I sold the Toyota Tacoma. Kinda. Now you may be asking yourself, what does kinda even mean? How do you kinda sell a vehicle? In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how. I know you guys have a lot of questions as this has been the main vehicle on this channel for a very long time, around 2 years, and now we moved on to this big beast. But let's go over what exactly happened with the Toyota Tacoma. Where should I begin? Let's go back to September 11th, 1999, when I was born. No, I'm kidding. We can go back about a month when I was on vacation with my parents at Lake Tahoe. So we were on vacation, and as you do on any vacation trip, there's a lot of driving. And when you're not driving, you're finding a way to stay occupied, whether that's watching the road or being on your phone. And in my case, it was being on my phone on Carfax. Now, I was originally just looking, I was looking at Tundras on Carfax, and then I started saying to Sandy, what if we bought one of these? What if we buy a 2021 Toyota Tundra and keep it on the channel with our Toyota Tacoma? So further down the road, I make a little bit of conversation to my dad and I say, hey Bob, the Tundras aren't as expensive as we thought they were. One thing leads to another. He is in the market for a Tundra. I'm looking now for him, but he's driving, so he's not going through the whole process of, sounds weird, but falling in love with these trucks. From where we were staying in California all the way to Lake Tahoe, I believe it was around 8 hours total. So that's 8 hours of searching, 8 hours of nagging my mom and dad, telling them about these Tundras. We get to a gas station, my dad gets off to pump gas, and my mom hits me with the question of, well, why don't you let me and your dad buy it from you? Me and Sandy looked at each other like, is she serious? I don't think she's serious. It was late, and again, I had been talking about this Tundra for 8 hours, and maybe she just wanted me to shut up. Turns out she was kind of serious. So my dad gets back in the van and I tell my dad, I'm like, Pop, do you think you would buy my Tacoma? Like, would you buy it if, it was up for sale? He said, yeah, why not? So at this point, we have a week and a half, a whole week and a half until we get back to Virginia. So this is now all I can think about. Am I really about to sell my Tacoma for a Tundra? And are my parents going to keep the Tacoma? Fast forward to the end of the trip, we get home on a Friday night. And then Saturday morning, I already had an appointment to go look at a 2021 Toyota Tundra 1794 TRD off-road. Absolutely destroyed. I don't know what the owner did. Props to him because he used the vehicle as it should be used, but he tore it up. Scratched from front to back, really deep scratches, stuff that couldn't be buffed out. Nonetheless, I was like, okay, you know what, we'll keep the Tacoma. It's just not meant to be. Monday rolls around and I find this beast. This behemoth had just been listed. And I text my mom, I'm like, hey, so I'm gonna go buy this truck. She says, okay, no problemo. Just let me know how much you want for this one and it's settled. Or not for this one, but for the Tacoma. So I end up driving about an hour and a half out to pick up this beast in the Corolla. And yeah, that's all she wrote. Now, that's how I sold it, right? I sold it to my mom and dad. But there's a caveat. Most of the time when you sell a vehicle, you cannot see it anymore. It's gone, it's forgotten, and that's where it lies. But in this case, my mom and dad have it. So whenever I want to see it, I can go and see it. But I don't feel right asking, hey, can I see my old truck? No. So that is how I kind of sold it, because I did sell it, but I can still go and see it. I can still record videos on it. I can still use it. Yeah, there's still a lot of companies that are really interested in that Toyota Tacoma. Companies reaching out still to this day about products and reviews that they want me to make on that truck. So the Tacoma is going nowhere, It is going nowhere. It's just not the main focus of the channel. Now you may be asking yourself, Aang, so how much did you sell the Toyota Tacoma to your parents for? And I can say, happily, that I did not rip them off. In fact, it is the cheapest 2021 Toyota Tacoma with 20,000 miles everywhere in the United States. Even compared to some of the crashed ones, some of the ones with 2 owners, blase, it is the cheapest, for sure. Now you may be asking yourself, what's the content split between Tacoma and Tundra? It's gonna be majority Tundra. The Tundra is gonna get done up, it's gonna be a mall crawler, and I'm super excited. So I hope I've answered all the questions. Sorry for taking so long on making this video, but I hope you guys did enjoy. Peace.